The entire presentation comes across as quite well packaged and thoughtfully organized here. Before we proceed, we need to thoroughly check that we have access to all the necessary materials required for installing the extractor hood. This is an important step to ensure everything is in order. Once we've carefully taken it out of the packaging, this is what it looks like, ready for assembly. We still observe here that everything is exceptionally well packaged, and while you may need to fiddle around a bit, even that can be handled quite easily with some effort. Fortunately, it doesn't weigh much at all, and the entire process at the end isn't that complicated or difficult either. We actually only need 2 screws for installation. We can either attach it directly below, as shown here with the cables we need, or we can choose to attach it directly to the wall for better support. Both of these are 2 screws. Of course, you will need to remove the plug here first, and then you can easily attach everything relatively quickly and go straight into using it effectively. All set now. We have fully integrated everything. This is how it looks. We left a small slit open up here for airflow. One can certainly do it as one wishes. I enjoy it when everything can breathe easily. Then we have our selection here. We already have everything set up here with the light bucket, and as I mentioned, you can intervene at any time to clean or remove things depending on the situation. It's all installed very easily, simply into the wall with 1 screw here and another screw there, and then it's done. And then it's just a matter of plugging it in and it can be used. We have this light function here, but it works without it too. Next, we have 3 distinct fan options available here, and we will also examine the most comprehensive one. So I truly believe that the volume is completely legitimate and justifiable. It effectively sucks up everything well here, and then it comes out at the top. It's important that we can take a look at this once, so that down here when we do it, we can flip the switch. This is likely the case now. Exactly, that we just flip the switch. Where is he? Here. Exactly. Flip the switch once, ensuring that it blows out the airflow from the front. If we have an exhaust system installed up here, we can easily switch to that mode, and then it will efficiently suck it up. To truly make the transition, you must switch everything over, but once completed, it can be utilized effectively and runs smoothly. Superb installation. The item has no weight. Works perfectly.